I think like this time in this collection, I was more conscious to somehow try to mirror my roots from where I'm coming from. My name is Nacho Carbonell. My journey actually has been like me growing up in Valencia, next to my family, next to the sea, next to the mountain, being in contact with different elements. They have been influencing me and marking who I am today. I just want to run back now in the studio and start like producing more of the memories, or producing more of these objects. I build from the memory, and that's kind of like the starting point. It's like when you do painting, you can do like hyper-realistic painting, or you just get inspired and then you do your own reinterpretation. And that's what I'm trying to all the time do also with my work. My journey to the Design Academy it opened me the eyes. Actually, like design can be a tool that is not a tool that is going to serve industry. It's a tool that is going to serve society and what we need. It needs to speak a universal language. It needs to transmit an emotion. In my work, there are some pieces that they are called memoralia, no? That they make tribute to this idea of like we are what we remember. Rituals, they help us to understand who we are, from where we're coming from, and where we could go. I learned that when you build something, nature can take over. Here in this context is where I learned it, but are not like unique on the world. They are everywhere happening. So I just take them and I appropriate them because they are part of me and I use them. I feel entitled to say like, okay, because we grew together, I can use you. I can use you in my work to kind of like create this narrative for others to let them know that you exist here. Not only about like knowing me, I don't want them to know me. I want them to look at their own context, that they open the door and then they are able to see that beauty also exists in any other part of the world, that we only need to look outside.